Look at this question. The question is square root of 2 to the power square root of x minus square root of 2 to the power square root of y is equals to 120. Now, in place of square root of 2, you can write it as 2 to the power half whole to the power under root x minus this 2 square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power half whole to the power square root of y is equals to 120. Or you can write this as 2 to the power square root of x upon 2 minus 2 to the power square root of y upon 2 is equals to 120. Now let's assume that a is equals to square root of x upon 2 and b is equals to square root of y upon 2. Now we are going to substitute this assumption in this equation. So we can write here 2 to the power a minus 2 to the power b is equals to 120. Now you can see that the difference of these two numbers is 120. This implies that a is greater than b. Or you can say that a is equals to b plus some constant, right? Now just call this as equation number 2 and call this as equation number 1. Now we are going to substitute this a in this equation number 1 in place of a. So we can write here 2 to the power b plus k minus 2 to the power b is equals to 120. Now since you know that a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n. So we are going to write this 2 to the power b plus k as 2 to the power b into 2 to the power k minus 2 to the power b is equals to 120. Now we are going to take out 2 to the power b common. So we have 2 to the power k minus 1 is equals to 120. Now we are going to find the factors of this 120. So we get here, this is 2 times, again this is 2 times, again this is 2 times, and this is 15, right? So we can write this as 2 to the power b, 2 to the power k minus 1, and now this 120 can be written as 1, 2, 3. So you can write this as 2 to the power 3 into 15. Now notice one thing, this 2 to the power b is any even number and this is a odd number, and here we have an even number and this is an odd number. So we can say that even number is equals to even number and this odd number can be equated with this odd number. So we can write this as 2 to the power b is equals to 2 to the power c, and here 2 to the power k minus 1 is equals to 15. Now as you know that a to the power m is equals to a to the power n, this means that n is equals to n, right? So we can say here b is equals to 3, right? And now this is 2 to the power k, this 15 plus 1. Here this is 2 to the power k is equals to 16, or you can say 2 to the power k is equals to 2 to the power 4. Again you have the same basis, so you can just equate their exponent. So we have k is equals to 4. Now since we have a is equals to b plus k, so we can say b is 3 and k is 4, or a is equals to 7, right? Now according to our assumption, since we have a is equals to under root x upon 2 and we have b is equals to under root y upon 2. Now we are going to evaluate x and y from these assumptions, that is a is 7, so just cross multiply. So you get here under root x is equals to 14, or you can say x is equals to 196. And here you just put the value of b here, this is 3 is equals to under root y upon 2. Now we are going to cross multiply, so under root y is equals to 6, or you can say y is equals to 36. Now, let's verify whether our solution is correct or incorrect. So, the question is under root 2 to the power under root x minus under root 2 is equals to, so we have or you can say this is 2 to the power half and this is whole to the power, this is 14 minus this is 2 to the power half and this is 6, right? This 2 and this gets cancelled, so we have 2 to the power 7 minus this is 2, this is 2 to the power 3. So this is 128 minus 8 and this is equals to 120, right? Or you can say that 120 is equals to 120, right? So our required solution for this question is yx is 196 and y is equals to 36. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.